Today I have an easy art project for you, and all you need is some sticky notes and a black marker. Give your students some direction. For me, I decided to tell my students to draw something that represents you, and for me, I like to play PS4 games. This is a remote control that you use in the PlayStation 4 game. Here is another design I made about the remote control. And here is one more remote control. The game I like to play on PlayStation 4 is Naruto. So I made a design of Naruto. Here's another design of Naruto. And here's another design of Naruto. Alright, you got your sticky notes, you got your marker, you got your color pencils. Let's get designing.